Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, hi, hello, my name is Donna. I hope that you're coming from my buddy's channel, and if you are, welcome. So happy to have you here. And if you're not coming from her channel but you're new here, hi, welcome. So happy to have you here. If you're not new here, thank you guys so much for continuing to come back and support my channel. I appreciate all of you so very much. Today we are creating this look. This is a Green Glam eye look, and we are utilizing the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. And when I say we, I mean me and my friend Serena. Eileen Sarena is her channel name here on Instagram, and she is an incredible content creator here. She and I both got this Emerald Obsessions palette in an Ipsy bag, and we decided many months ago actually that we were going to do a collab utilizing this palette, and just somehow it kept getting pushed off, and now here we are doing this collab for you. And I do hope that you guys will go visit her channel if you haven't visited her channel. She is a rather small content creator, much like myself. She is an amazing Washingtonian, just like myself. I would venture to say she's one of my favorite people on the platform. She has leaps and bounds come out of her shell in the last year. I've seen amazing growth within her, just her, the person, in the last year, and I'm just so proud of what she's been able to accomplish. When I first met her, she was super shy, super quiet, kind of in her little shell, wasn't super outspoken, didn't say anything, that didn't really speak negatively, period, about anything. And she still doesn't for the most part, but I think she's out of her shell enough. She's got the ability now to say, this is crap, like, I don't like how this is. But she is just amazing, so sweet. And when we started this venture, like I said, super shy, super in her shell, not really out there, and we hit pandemic and everything closed down and everybody got into this place, and she utilized that time to come back from pandemic with her own makeup line. Like, what? Where the hell did that come from? Honestly. And she is out there marketing herself on Instagram every single day, doing multiple things, marketing herself. Like, I'm just super proud of her and the growth that she's had on a personal level as well as a professional level in this last year. And I'm so excited to be collaborating with her on this Green Glam eye look. I'm really honestly excited to see what she comes up with. And I am only wearing lashes because I know she will be wearing lashes. I am a hot mess when it comes to lashes, and you'll see a little bit of that when it comes to really digging into this video, because I get up to go do my lashes and then come back and pop my head in, and one lash is kind of dangling there. I really do feel like I'm wearing two different lashes right now, even though they were in the same lash container. So I don't know. I need to get my life straight. But this red lipstick also makes my teeth look really yellow, so there's that. I probably won't wear it on camera ever again, or in person, maybe even. It looks really bad, so there's that.
Trying to talk as much as possible with my mouth shut and my teeth covered. Do you ever have those moments? Yeah.
Green makes me look super pale, super dead, so I thought I'd go with a red lip just to offset that. But there's all kinds of issues going on this face today. But I do hope that you enjoy the video. I hope that you'll also enjoy Serena's video and what we are bringing to the table today. I think that I would be willing to bet her look is much better than this one right now. I struggle best through this entire video. So with that said, if that's something that you think that you're interested in watching, it'll be coming right at you and right about now. I'm going to put you on fast forward so that I can do my makeup because if I'm chatting, it takes me for flipping ever to do this. But I'm excited to use this palette, and I'm excited to also see the look that Serena comes up with. I'm going to fast forward, you guys. I'm going to zoom you into my eyeballs. We're going to focus on a Green Glam look, and we're going to accomplish that with the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. This is what she looks like. You got me in my sweatshirt right now. Bet you didn't see that coming. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a few. I thought I would come join you guys to do the lower lash line and finish my look. This look is the epitome of trust the process, because I could have swore this was going to turn out real bad, and you know, I don't know, it's coming together. Trust the process. But I don't know if you guys can see, this is real patchy right here. So I am going to try and like doctor this up just a little bit. I think I fixed it. Okay, so now we're going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to speed you guys through this. Because my eye is watering. Do you see that little blank spot there? I'm gonna let it dry for a second. I'm gonna use this mossy green eyeliner that's an Ulta Beauty brand eyeliner. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. Ulta Beauty has some really great eyeliners. Okay, we're gonna try and fill that hole. I think we did it. Yes. Okay. I am going to take this really pretty color down here in the bottom, and I am going to put that into my inner corner. Oh, holy hell. That was wild. I was going to put that on my brow bone too. I think I changed my mind. You guys, I am living for that inner corner. It isn't going on my brow bone though. Let's do this gold one from this Becca palette. It's being decluttered, yes, but I am going to use it in my brow bone because look at how beautiful that is. Makes me want to keep it. I'm going to go in with a blending brush and just kind of blend that out so it's not so stark. Now I'm going to go attempt to put on some lashes, y'all, and I will be right back. Alright, this is the final look. This is my Green Glam look that I came up with today using the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me play with my makeup. You guys saw a little bit of the fiasco going on with my lashes. I really feel like I'm never gonna get lashes down, honestly. I feel like I'm wearing two different lashes even though they were in the same bin, so I'm not really sure what's going on. But this one feels like it's full all the way across, and this one feels like it's just full down here on the latter half of my eye look. I think that you can see that. I think I am wearing two different lashes, so there's that. Also, I'm just not sure about this red lip. But I couldn't do a Green Glam eye without a red lip. I really felt like I needed a red lip as well. So here's the final look. I am going to get up close to you guys, do a little bit of a narcissistic montage, show you what's going on this eye look, and then talk to you a little bit, and then we will see you next time. So let's just cue music. I think you can see my eye is watering again. I don't know, man. My eyes will not quit watering. So, you guys, I was so super excited to get together with my friend here on YouTube and be able to come to you with another collab in this wonderful collab month of December I have going on right now throughout Vlogmas. I know that this was a palette that she and I decided that we were going to collab on quite early, actually. When we both received it in Ipsy, we decided we were going to collab on this palette. I don't know why it's taken us this long to get to it, mostly probably because of me. I'm a habitual procrastinator, and especially when it comes to getting these kind of things done, and I am horrible at that. So I didn't use all the shades in this palette yet. I think I struggled with it just a little bit. Greens are hard. Greens are hard for a lot of people, but I do love this palette. This was a shocker shade. I really didn't anticipate it was going to be as golden as it is. I really think that this is a beautiful color. So I was really excited to come together with my friend and be able to bring you this Green Glam look. I hope that you also enjoyed it. I hope that you'll go see her as well. Tell her I said hey and give her some love. She truly is an inspiration to me. She's an amazing content creator here on the platform. She also has her own little makeup brand that currently right now everything on her site is 50% off for holiday sales. So I'm just so excited for her and what her future holds. And I have just seen great things come from her in the last year, and I can't wait to see what comes from her in the coming years. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you did enjoy this video. I hope that if you did, you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. It really does help our channels out here and lets YouTube know that there are people out there watching our videos, liking our videos. Maybe they should send them out to multiple other people so that those other people can also see our videos, and it helps our channels grow. I hope that you are also considering subscribing to my channel before you go. If you are not yet subscribed, please also do hit that notification bell if you do that. However, because I do upload content typically 3 to 4 times a week, depending on the week, and I would hate for you to miss anything. Don't click on subscribe and then never see me in your feed. That would be horrible. I hope that December is treating you all well, and I hope that your holiday was amazing. I hope that you and yours are staying safe from the illness out there by wearing a mask every time you're out in public. We never know when we're going to come in contact with that one person who's maybe walking around asymptomatic but spreading the illness germs to everybody that they come in contact with. I would hate for that person to be you. Thank you guys again so much for coming to my channel. Please do love each other, but love each other from afar. And until next time, bye everyone.